Hello Odoo users and welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial we will see about Odoo QuickBooks Online Connector and the export process for the customer payments and bill payments along with the auto update. So let's get started. So this is our Odoo dashboard and we will also need our QuickBooks dashboard to validate the same. Now we will go to the accounting module, go to the customers and go to the invoices. So we have a few invoices which are not paid and we will check them and now make the payment so that we can see the whole process. We will only use the invoices which are already exported in QuickBooks. So this one is exported. Now we will make the payment. Now let's create the payment. When we go to the payment step, we will check the bank account. Bank account details should be same for both of the and should be linked for the QuickBooks and Odoo. So both of them should be linked. Otherwise, the payment won't be go. Now let's save it. Go to the payment. And now we will go over action button and export the payment. After the confirmation, we will export the payment. So as you can see, the payment is successfully exported. Now we will go to the vendors, go to the bills, and here we will check the bills that is not paid again. So let's open this one. Here the vendor bill is exported. So now we will go for the payment option, create a payment. The payment is created now. Let's go to the journal and again we will see now the process. Now it is a confirmed one. It is now let's go over action button and export the payment. So as we exported, the bill payment is exported to QuickBooks as you can see it right now along with the QuickBooks ID. Now, well, let's go to the instance that we just created. Here is the instance and this is the export configuration. Now, when we have checked this box of auto update of the payments, we will see how the payments are updated automatically. If we update it in Odoo dashboard, it will be automatically updated in the QuickBooks as well. So for that, this one is compulsory. And let's go to the QuickBooks. Let's go to our customers and we will search for the customers. So for the invoice section, let's go to the customer invoices. We will see the payment that we just made. So these are both the payments for the today. So this one is what we made today. So we will check for this customers and the bill payment. Let's go to the payment and check them. We will find for the customers and we can check the payment under that only. So this is the payment that we just made. That is PAY 00035 and this is the payment that we just made as you can see. So let's open this one. Now we have opened the payment and now we will see how the auto update process is done from here. So here we will make the changes in the payment. So let's make it from reset to draft. Here we will make 300. We will change the date from 14 to 15 and let's confirm it. It is confirmed. Here we will go to the bank account. Bank account might not be correct. So let's update it again. Over here, let's make the updation again. Now it is properly set up. Let's go back, confirm it again. Now as you can see, the payment is successfully updated. As I told you before, bank details should be connected and that is the most important part of this process. Let's go through our QuickBooks. Here as we refresh this payment, we can see that the updation is done properly with $400 and the date of 16. So let's check them. So it is updated with the price and also the payment date is updated to 16. Now we will check about the vendors as well. So let's go to our vendor bills. We have made changes in one of the vendors, which is this one. So let's open the vendor name. We will go to the my apps. We will search for the vendors list. So this is the vendors list. Let it open and we will search for the vendor. So here are the vendor details, and we will check the process, how the payments are made for the same. And now we will also check the same in our Odoo dashboard where we have made the payments. Let's check it. This is the payment that we have done. So it is exported successfully, and this is the payment that we done. The invoice memo is 0025. We will check the same, which is this one. Now as we open it, you can see that the vendor bill is perfectly exported over here. Now we will update it. So for that, we will reset it to the draft, make changes into the amount. It is 230 or 200 right now. This is the vendor bill that we are looking for. Now we will make the changes, and the same will be updated over there as well. Here are the changes in the date. Let's save it. Again, we have to change the bank account details. For the vendors, it is a different detail, and for the customers as well. Now you can see that the payment is successfully updated in the QuickBooks. We will search for this memo in the QuickBooks to make it easier. As you can see, it is updated over here as well. So this is all about your vendor and payment updation. So let's open it. I'll show you the same. As you can see, this vendor is updated with P0036 with 250, which we just updated over here. So this is how our vendor payments are also updated quickly. When we have made changes in your Odoo dashboard, it will be reflected over in QuickBooks dashboard as well. Now let's go back to the QuickBooks dashboard. We have another two things that we need to understand: this automatic payment export to QuickBooks and automatic bills export. So when we have checked both of these things, we will have an option to export date point. So here we will mention a date from where you want automatically bills to be exported. These both are the cron jobs that are running in our background, and your invoices and payments, whichever are created in Odoo, will be automatically refreshed and will be automatically sent to QuickBooks as per the date point that you have mentioned over here, and as per the intervals of the cron job that you have mentioned. I'll show you the same as well. So let's go back from here and open our scheduler actions, which we have created. Here we will search for the QuickBooks. So there are three scheduler actions which are over here for the QuickBooks. First is for invoice bills, and next is for payments and bill payments and invoice payments. So both these things, as we open it, you can see that it will execute every 5 days, and the date and time is also mentioned over here. Similarly for the bill payments. Next is for the refresh QuickBooks access token. So this is what our token. So this is the token that has to be refreshed every few days. So we have made a cron job for that as well, so that it will be refreshed automatically. The scheduler action will run on the background in your account. So this makes very easier for you. So every 15 minutes, as you can see, the cron job will be running. You will not have to do any check from here, but it will run automatically from the scheduler actions only. So this is all about this video. Feel free to let us know if you face any issues while you configure it for your store. Our team will be there to help you out. You can also write back to us at sales@vraja technologies.com. Thank you.